Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to remove your Bitmoji avatar from Snapchat, but can't find the option? Today I'll show you how to delete your Bitmoji from your Snapchat account Bishula. Step 1. Open Snapchat profile. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This is where your account and Bitmoji settings are located. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find customization options. Step 3. Open Bitmoji settings. Select Bitmoji from the settings menu. This section allows you to manage your avatar. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Remove Bitmoji tap. Remove My Bitmoji from the options. This will unlink your avatar from your account. Step 5. Confirm removal. Tap Remove to confirm your action. Your Bitmoji will be deleted, and you can create a new one anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat Bishula. Customize your profile anytime the way you want. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart step-by-step tech tutorials every day.